Hello guys, this is me and Kanayas. Today I'm gonna show you how to use shape keys. First make a basis, then a key. This is how you can work with. It actually helps to move. And spoiler alert, it's a test. So don't think don't worry, because if you work, what matters? It's a spoiler alert. Whatever claim, and here is it. And now at the vertex group and assign it. Then go back and at the vertex group you just made it now. And now you cannot see the results. Only see it clearly. See? Let's see. For a better look, let me add the material and assign it the new material and keep it blue. And now let me position it by selecting it. And now go to object mode. And oh, sorry guys, there must be a problem. Whatever, blah blah blah. And now here is it. See, ta-da! This is how shape keys work, which makes your workflow faster and easier. So guys, if you like this video, then subscribe. I'll be happy.